Hello everyone, welcome to another Python tutorial video, and today we're going to determine whether a number is even or odd without using any kind of function. So let me just write the code for you guys and then I will explain what is happening. Okay, my code is complete. Let me just run it. Let me write here 10 first. The number is even. Great. Again, let me just run it. Now let me write 9. The number is odd. So now let's just talk about what is happening in the code. First of all, I have taken an input in the num variable, and then I am checking in the if else condition. If the number is mod 2 equal to 0, what does this line mean? This line means that if the number is divided by 2 and its remainder is 0, then the number will be even, else the number will be odd. That is, we can say here, when 4 divided by 2 we get the remainder 0, but when 9 divided by 2 we get the remainder 1. That means when the remainder is 0, our number will be even, and when the remainder is 1 or not equal to 0, then the number will be odd. Hope you guys understand the program. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.